Is your washing machine leaking, not spinning, showing error codes, or refusing to start? These are just some of the common issues our experts fix every day. At Urban Service Company, we provide professional, same-day doorstep washing machine repair services across Bangalore. Our certified technicians are trained to handle all major brands and models, front-load, top-load, semi-automatic, and fully automatic machines. We fix problems like water drainage issues, drum not rotating, noise and vibration, power or display failures, water inlet or leakage concerns, all with precision and care. Every service comes with a warranty, and we only use quality-tested parts for replacements. Expect transparent, affordable pricing with no hidden charges, and a commitment to getting it right the first time. Trusted by thousands across Bangalore, Urban Service Company is your go-to solution for washing machine repair. Call 90-193-49170 or visit urbanservicecompany.live to book your service today. Urban Service Company, professional, reliable, affordable.